The start of spring offers the perfect opportunity to refresh not just the outside of your home, but also the inside. You don't need a full renovation to make your space feel new again. Simple seasonal decor changes can instantly brighten your home and create a fresh, welcoming atmosphere. Bring in fresh flowers and greenery. A simple vase of flowers on your dining table or kitchen counter can liven up any room. If you prefer something longer lasting, potted plants or a small herb garden are a great alternative. Greenery not only brightens your space visually, but also creates a calming, natural indoor environment. One of the easiest ways to transition from winter to spring is by lightening up your textiles. Replace thick blankets and dark pillow covers with soft cotton or linen in cheerful seasonal tones. Floral prints, soft yellows, light blues and gentle greens all evoke the feeling of spring. Add pops of colour without repainting the entire room. A bowl of lemons, colourful dish towels or pastel vases can subtly bring seasonal energy into your home. Refresh your entryway to make a welcoming first impression. A spring wreath, a new doormat, or a small floral arrangement can instantly make your home feel more inviting. Spring decor works beautifully with natural materials like wicker, rattan, wood, and woven fibres. These materials help bring an organic, airy feeling into your home. One of the most effective ways to brighten your home for spring is simply to declutter. Open the windows, pull back the curtains, and allow natural light to fill your space. Clean windows and mirrors can reflect sunlight, enhancing the brightness of your home. By incorporating flowers, lighter fabrics, colourful accents, and natural textures, your home will feel refreshed, inviting, and ready for the new season.